Alright, this video we're going to talk about the services section. As we see, we have a nice little image on the left. We have our text, our price, whatever, our description, contact us, and we have our nice little nifty buttons that actually change between each package we have. Alright, so to take care of this, come to the back end. You want to find services. And right now we're going to have a list of 4. And this thing is up to how many you want. You want only 2? Just list 2. You want 22, make 22 of these things. There's no limit other than, I guess, database space. Obviously, you can't upload, something that exceeds your limits for your database. But for the most part, anything from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you should have no problem with whatsoever. All right. So let me just go ahead and click the first one. This will be really easy. Basically, we have our image, we have our title, and we have our text. Alright? So your title with the price, that's right here. Our description of our package, description of our text, whatever the case may be, is right here. And that obviously would be this section. Your featured image, you upload this in this area. So if I remove this, let me go ahead and remove this so you can kind of see this from scratch. Set featured image. You can either upload a new one from your computer, from the media library. You will see gallery only if you've already uploaded an image. So if you're making one for the first time and you're looking at this and hey, I don't see the gallery link, how come? That's because you haven't uploaded an image to this section. I have, so we'll see that this cake is in here if I click gallery. There it is, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put this back by clicking use as featured image. Exit out. Alright, now below that we have a service button options. Right now I've put contact us, and if I click this, where does it go? Contact page. That's up to you. You can not have a button, you can have a button. It could say contact us, it could say about page, it could be whatever you want it to be. So basically the title of the button, you type that here, and then where you want it to go. And I'm going to point this out. The neat thing about WordPress is you don't have to type out this whole URL here. All I have is contact. And WordPress is smart enough to know that the contact page, which we see right here, contact, that's the name of this page, it's going to go to it. So for instance, maybe I want it to go to the about page. What's the name of this page? If we look right here in the address bar, about. So if I come to the $200 one, getting started, and I type in about, and I update this. Let's see, let me go to services. First one, and I hit contact us. Where'd we go? The about page. So you have a lot of flexibility with what you want to call your button and where you want it to go. So I'm going to put this back at contact, and that's going to be up to you and where you want to forward those buttons to and title them. Update. Now, an important thing to note about this section is WordPress is time-stamped, meaning it's chronological order. So the newest is going to be the most recent. Alright, so if you have to add a new one, you can't really reorder it by doing anything. There's no option to order. So you're going to have to think about that when you're adding your new things. The newest is always going to be first. Newest is always going to be first. So when I created this particular page, I actually started with the highest number. So if we come back, the greatest number, which is the 5,000 one, I did that one first and worked backwards as opposed to the opposite, from smallest to the largest. Because if you did it that way, your initial package that you would have show up would be $5,000. So think about that as you're adding your packages if you need to. If I don't know if that's you will. Okay, that's it.